Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're here to continue our series on the Dell PowerEdge R7425. In this video we're going to specifically focus on power supplies. Let's get going. Hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the Dell PowerEdge R7425. Do us a favor, if you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like, smash that subscribe. All right, well, let's hop in. This video is going to be specifically dedicated to power supplies. It will be one of the quickest and easiest videos in our series. Really, all we're going to cover are the different wattages. So we're going to throw up right now a chart of different wattage for your options of power supplies, and then we are going to physically install one. The one thing I always like to point out is you do have to have two of the exact same power supply. You can install two of them, and they are hot swap, but they do have to be the exact same. You can't put in an 1100 watt and a 495 watt. Not going to work. They do need to be the exact same power supplies, and if you ever need one overnighted, you can definitely contact our sales team at sales@cloudninjas.com, and we can help you if you have a server down that does need an overnighted power supply. All right, well, let's go ahead and show you how to install. All right, I went ahead and grabbed my ESC gear since we're going to be handling our parts. So you will notice that both the power supplies that are in here right now are 1100 watts. So let's say this one failed right here and we needed to replace it. So we got the exact same power supply, another 1100 watt. So all you're going to do is you're going to push this nice little orange tab in, and then you're going to hook your finger right here. So just push this in and slide it out. Super easy. Okay, so this is going to be your 1100 watt. So this is bad. So we're just going to take our new 1100 watt, again, make sure it's the exact same size, just slide it in, and you can push this if you want, or it'll just push on its own. You'll see it kind of bends in and it clicks into place. So now I can physically, I can't even unhook it. It is fully locked in. Super easy install. Power supplies and hard drives are definitely the easy installs. So if you have a down power supply, you can definitely swap it out yourself. You don't need a technician necessarily to do it. You just pop it in. So that being said, hey, if you ever need a power supply, contact our sales team. If you need any custom built servers, whether that's new or used, we would love the opportunity to earn your home lab or your data center's business. Please email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Take care.